fix this.
What's up, YouTube? So we are your catalytic converter headquarters. That's a nice cat you got there. Yeah. This is the second cat today. Look. So we had a Hyundai Accent in here, and then this is a 2018 Tucson all-wheel drive 4-cylinder with 127,000 miles on it. Bam, clogged. We had a Hyundai. So this is the second one. What was the other car? Oh, Hyundai Elantra GT 2.0 was the second clogged catalytic converter I did a video on. So I'm going to tell you that these Hyundais and Kias with GDIs, you tune-ups at 30,000, GDIs at 30,000, if not sooner. All you're doing is costing yourself tons of money. The dealership's not educating the public on how to maintain these engines, and you can't maintain today's engines like you did on cars from the 70s and 80s. It's impossible. They require strict maintenance schedules, and this is proof in the pudding. This is number 2 today. And this job from the dealer is like $1,400, not including the required maintenance that's needed to keep the catalytic converter from clogging. So, Hyundais and Kias, you come in for an oil change, you should be asking for a GDI service, you should be asking for a fuel injection service. If you have 30,000 miles on it and you have a couple extra bucks, I'm definitely going to advise 30, 60, 90 spark plug intervals, GDI services regularly. If you do a lot of driving, it's going to need to be done. Thanks for watching.